In this video, we will show how to create a knit hem with raw edge. A knit edge that is not finished has a rolled look. Let's create this look on the sleeves. We start by lowering the grid size of the pattern to between 0.3 to 0.5. Next, we will add a fold line to the sleeve edge. Selecting the edge, use Clone by Offset and input a small negative value. Next, select the internal line and make it a soft fold line. To confirm the fold direction is correct, select each sleeve, then uncheck and recheck using 3D. If the fold direction is incorrect, select Invert Fold Direction. To help hold the rolled sleeve look, stitch the edge of the sleeve to the internal fold lines. Then set the stitch release to 65%. Dress the sleeves. We now have a knit hem raw edge. In this video, you've learned how to create a knit hem with raw edge. For more information, check out the Browzwear Help Center.